Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Manthura for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, beauty, skincare and so much more. So please give it a moment and hit that subscribe button right here and join the fam. So for today's video, I thought of making a winter essential video, and I thought थोड़ा सा late हो गया है, but it's just to rejuvenate your skin जो winters में थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो गई होगी, and to get your normal skin back now that the winters are almost ending. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the products. So the first thing that I'll start with are body products, and then we'll move to face, and then we'll move to hair. So the first product that I have is a body wash. There are two body wash that I'll speak about. The first one is from Nivea, and the second one is from Body Shop. Why these particular body washes? Firstly, in winters you need body wash जो आपकी body को nourishment के साथ छोड़े और आपकी body का जो normal oil है उसको खींच के बाहर ना निकाले. So these two, they both of them are shower gels. Like this is a shower gel and this is a shower cream, and both of them have essential ingredients in them to keep your skin moisturized and very smooth. So that is why I suggest these two body washes. The second thing that I would suggest is a body moisturizer. Body moisturize करना is very important. कोई भी time हो साल का, कोई भी season हो, but body moisturize करना is very important. And the two that I'm gonna talk about, one is the Coco Soul Nourishing Body Lotion, and this is how it looks. And the other one is the Body Shop's Almond Milk and Honey. This is how this one looks, and this is like a tub. ये मुझे मैंने I think travel pack में ख़रीदा था. So this is almost done. If you see, this is like completely खाली. I have just a little bit left, and I'll make a product empties video super soon. But this is the one that I've been using regularly क्योंकि वो वाला ख़त्म हो चुका है. Both of these body lotions are super nourishing. Both of them are very buttery, very smooth, but not oily. So that is why I like them, because my skin is already very oily. So I don't want a lot of extra oil to be in them. So these two work really good with me. Especially this one. This one has Virgin King coconut oil as a major ingredient in it. So it lets your body be very smooth, and I don't know how to define it, but it lets your body be very smooth, very nourished. It works aram se for 8 to 10 hours, like the nourishment that this gives. So this is a super hit from my side. I think I'm done with body. Now let's move to hair. And for hair, the first product that I have is this. This is a medicated shampoo. This one is a medicated shampoo from Keto Sip. It's called Keto Sip. It's from Cipla. And winters में हर इंसान थोड़ा सा dandruff के साथ deal करता है. So if with your natural, like your regular shampoos, अगर तुम ये medicated shampoo एक बार use करोगे week में, so you get rid of dandruff and that doesn't grow. There are a lot of natural home remedies that you can do, but I would suggest if you are suffering from a lot of dandruff problems, please use this. It works like wonders. Okay, the next thing that I have is this. This is the Batiste ka dry shampoo. So this I have been using very religiously, and it smells so good. It smells amazing. It is in the flavor coconut and exotic tropical, and the whole review is there on Instagram on how to use it, why to use it, etc. But yeah, this is a very good shampoo, very good dry shampoo, and I've been using it since a while now. ठंडियों में ना you don't want to do a lot of shampoo, okay, and ठंड लग रही होती है, आलस आ रहा होता है ना, lot of things. So but तुम्हारे बाल ख़राब हो जाएंगे if you don't shampoo your hair. So that is where this plays a major part, and this is such a good product to invest in. Moving on to face now, and I have a lot of products for face. The first, why am I looking down? Because I have my products lying here, so I'm just thinking about which one to pick from. But so the next product that I'm going to talk about is lips. This is for lip care, and lip care के लिए सबसे best होता है lip balm. So I have two with me. One of them is the Nivea's lip balm, but this is the Nivea one that I have, and this is the Nykaa's lip crush macaroon जो है. So this is Nykaa's Lip Crush Macaroon. Both of them have been used religiously. I have chapped lips, and I don't like chapped lips. I like applying lipsticks on a nice smooth canvas. So these two are saviors from me. Both of them are super affordable. Nivea तो I think हम लोग ने सबने बचपन में use किया ही है. So both of them are super affordable, super nice, super pigmented, and leave your lips super nourished. There are lip sleeping masks also that you can use in case there is a lot of chapping on your lips. I am personally using the Laneige ka sleeping mask right now for both my face and lips. So if it works for me, I will let you know in one of the videos. But currently, I don't know if it is working or not. Okay, moving on to the face wash. Yeah, moving on to the face wash. I have two here. So just like body, you need a face wash जो तुम्हारे natural oils को ना खींच के बाहर ना निकाल दे, but still तुम्हारे face में जो भी तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारा texture है या तुम्हारा skin type है उसको soothe करे. So the first one I have is for it's a normal one. It's the Himalayas Neem face wash. This face wash is a holy grail product. I don't know how many times I've spoken about this, but this works like wonders. This works like wonders. The second face wash that I have is the Face Shop All Clear Cleaning Oil Whip. It's a one-step gentle oil foam. This is how it looks. And this is like a bottle where you pump the bottle, the foam comes out and then you wash your face. Both of these products have been like super nice, super gentle on my skin. Both of them are not very harsh and they provide the natural nourishment very instantly, so I'm very happy with both of these products. The next product that I'm going to talk about is this sheet mask. So this is a sheet mask from MyGlam and I got it as a part of PR, and this is, I think, the sheet mask. This is the 5th sheet mask that I bought because इसके अंदर जो serum है, I have not seen that level of serum का quantity in any of the products. इसमें it is amazing and it leaves your skin so smooth and so brightened up. Like it's just amazing product. So if you've not tried it, I would highly suggest you to indulge in this. This is a little expensive. It's for $200, but it's lovely. It's just lovely. Okay, we're down to our last some products, and the next products that I have are some essential serums. So I'll go one by one. This one is the Estee Lauder ANR, like the most spoke about serum, I guess. It spoke about a lot. I don't want to repeat the same things again, but this is an advanced night repair. I use it in the night. It helps you get rid of all the problem areas on your face when you sleep with it, and that is when they claim that रात को हमारी skin rejuvenate होती है. So I think this one works wonders. This is a small packaging that I have. I wanted to try it first before I invested into the larger bag, but I have already got the larger one. This is a 7 ml. I have I think the 30 ml packet lying with me, and I'm using that. Once that finishes, I think I'll give you like a proper review on how is it. The second serum that I have is the Anvea's Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C has been a necessity since a long time now, for at least for my skin. I have a lot of pigments and I have a lot of discoloration here and there, and vitamin C helps in that. So this is one of the serums that I've been using. I tried a lot of serums. This is one that I'm sticking by right now, and this helps in winter also because it soothes your skin. The next thing is a moisturizer. Like this is a serum, but I use it as a moisturizer because this works like that. Like it works the best for me like that. And this is the Neutrogena in capsule serum. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost capsule in serum. This is a highly daily effective serum and it works amazingly. It was suggested by a content creator only, and I love it. It's a little expensive. It's for $800, but it's completely worth it. मतलब मुझे इसको use करते हुए I'm using this from October I guess, and I'm using this daily, and अभी तक सिर्फ आधी बॉटल ख़त्म हुई है, and I love how my skin feels after this. So this is a must-buy product if you're looking for a moisturizer for dry skin, oily skin. It works wonders. Okay, the last two products that I have are eye creams. So I don't know how well these eye creams work to reduce dark circles because they're not working for me at least. So an eye cream for dark circles, they work a little slowly. They will work according to your, they are dependent on other factors as well. But you need a lot of moisture under your eyes because that is the thinnest layer on your face, and you need a lot of moisture. So the products that I've been using is, this is the first product that I've been using. This is the Calendula eye cream from Face Shop, and the other one that I'm using is a little expensive product, but this is the Estee Lauder ANR Supercharged Complex. This looks a very small bottle and very expensive. But this is what I've been using. So these are two products that I've been using. एक को मैं दिन में लगाती हूँ, एक को मैं रात को लगाती हूँ, and basically I'm using them so that my skin below my eyes stay moisturized and stay yeah, below there's just a moisturize. That is why I've been using this. So these have been working amazingly for me. All the links of all of these products will be mentioned in the description box below, so in case you want them, you want to purchase them, please click on the links and purchase them. I'll mention the prices and everything as well. And yep, until next time, bye.